Transport Belgium MCQs chapter number 14. MCQs number 1. There are types of nutrition needed by plant besides light to carry out photosynthesis. The correct option is option B. There are 3 types of nutritions. MCQs number 2. The sites where most of uptake of water and minerals take place is our root hairs. The correct option is root hair. MCQ number 3. The uptake of water in plants involve passive transport is correct answer. MCQ number 4. The membrane of vacuole is known as tonoplast. Tonoplast is correct option. MCQ number 5. The diffusion of iron along with water also take place by mass flow system along the apoplast path. Option B is correct. MCQ number 6. Active transport is dependent on respiration. Is option B is correct. MCQ number 7. In plants, the neighboring cells are connected with one another by both A and B, plasmodesmata and cell wall. MCQ number 8. In root cells, apoplast pathway becomes discontinuous in endodermis due to presence of Casparian strips. Option B is correct. MCQ number 9. Cytoplasmic strands that extend through pores in adjacent cell wall are known as plasmodesmata. Option C is correct. MCQ number 10. In plants, water potential is determined by a major factor. There are 2 major factors. MCQ number 11. The pressure generated when water enters and inflates what plant cells is called pressure potential. Option C is correct. MCQ number 12. The movement of water molecules from a region of higher water potential to region of lower water potential through membrane is called osmosis. Option B is correct. MCQ number 13. Osmotic potential is a measure of change in water potential of system due to presence of solute membranes. Option A is correct. The solute potential is always negative. Option B is correct. MCQ number 15. Component of cell wall has great affinity with water. Option D is correct. Lignin, cellulose and pectin are components of cell wall. MCQ number 16. Commonly in other plants than tall ones, the speed of upward movement of water is 1 mH minus 1 is correct option. MCQ number 17. Exceptionally, the positive hydrostatic pressure generated by root pressure is about 800 kPa. MCQ number 18. Cuticular transpiration is total transpiration 5 to 7%. Option B is correct. MCQ number 19. All plants do not possess lenticels is correct option. MCQ number 12. Lenticular transpiration is of total transpiration Correct option is option D, 1 to 2% of total transpiration. MCQ number 21. A rating opening formed in bark through which exchange of gases take place and water is lost in form of vapors. The correct option is option C, lenticels. MCQ number 22. Lenticels look like cores or small protrusions. Option D is correct. MCQ number 23. The stomatal transpiration is of total transpiration. 90% is a correct option. MCQ number 24. They function as a multi-sensory hydraulic valve. Guard cell, option B is correct. MCQ number 25. There are hypotheses which may explain the opening and closing of stomata. There are two hypotheses. Option B is correct. MCQ number 26. Stomata open due to of K plus ion into guard cells from surrounding epidermis. Active transport of potassium ion is correct option for 26. MCQ number 27. Low level of carbon dioxide favor of stomata. Opening is correct for 27. 28. The opening and closing of stomata is directly controlled by light. MCQ number 29. Symbiotic which help plant in an uptake of phosphorus and trace metals such as zinc and copper. Fungi is a organisms which help plants. MCQ number 30. Transport of minerals from the soil to epidermal cells of root where carrier protein molecules along their concentration gradient is called facilitated diffusion. MCQ number 31. Pulling upward of water and dissolved minerals toward the leaves through xylem tissue is called transpiration pull. MCQ number 32. Pressure flow theory was proposed by Ernst and Munch. Option D is correct. MCQ number 33. A pressure created by active secretion of salt and other solute from other cells into xylem sap is called root pressure. It is called root pressure. MCQ number 34. Addition of salts and other solute from other cells into xylem sap. The water potential of xylem sap will be maintains. Maintain is correct option. MCQ number 35. An open circulatory system can contain white blood cells. B option is correct. MCQ number 36. Which of the following is true about the heart of earthworms? The correct option is option C. They are present lateral to esophagus. Option C is correct. MCQ number 37. The single circuit heart is found in fishes. Option A is correct. MCQ number 38. It has been estimated that the normal person plasma constitution about by volume of blood. There are option 55% is correct for this option. 39. 95% of cytoplasm of red blood cell is the hemoglobin. The correct option is option B. 40. Give rise to macrophages which destroy large particle by phagocytes. monocyte give rise to macrophage? The option C is correct. MCQ number 41. Which of the following are protein in nature? All of these are protein in nature. MCQ number 42. College anemia is another name used for thalassemia. Option B is correct. 43. The tricuspid valve is present between right atrium and right ventricle. Option A is correct. 44. QRS complex present ventricular systole. Option B is correct. MCQ number 45. Which of the following have thickest wall? Arteries have thickest wall. Option A is correct. MCQ number 46. It is the measure of force with which blood pushed up against the walls of blood vessels. Option C. Blood pressure is. MCQ number 47. All of the following are blood clots except atheroma. Option C is correct. Next MCQ is 48. It is the discharge of blood from blood vessels. Option C is cerebral hemorrhage is a correct option for 48. MCQ number 49. The flow of lymph is maintained by all of these. Correct option is option D. MCQ number 50. Introduction of vaccine within body to produce immunity is an example of artificial induced active immunity is correct for this option.